Hey there! Starting with Photoshop CC 2021, we get a new panel called Discover. In the past, this was called Search, but now it's new and improved, and the search feature has been moved to the homepage. I'll explain the differences in a minute. Let's get started. For now, here's the essence. Say you want to use the History panel, but you can't remember what it is. In comes the Discover panel. Either click on this magnifying glass or use the hotkey Ctrl F. That's Command F on a Mac. Here's the Discover panel, and we have a search box right at the top. Type in history and we'll get a list of results. At the top you have a few suggestions, and a bit underneath we have our shortcuts. More often than not, this is what's gonna interest you. We're looking for the history panel, so let's click it. And just like that, it brings it into action, and Photoshop also highlights it with a blue glow, just so it catches our eye. The program is kind enough to temporarily hide the Discover panel, but if we use Ctrl F one more time, we can pick things up exactly where we've left off. To go back, we can use any of these three choices: the back icon, the close symbol, or the home icon. In its default state, the Discover panel is packed full of tutorials, guides, and other content. My advice is you use it in case you're stuck and you don't want to ask a question on Discord. And here's why I'm not in love with it. Or better said, why I think this course plus the Discord chat is gonna give you a much better learning experience. Say you wanna apply a black and white effect, like we did a few lessons ago. You don't remember the exact steps, so you type in black and white. You go to the shortcut section and you find it here. Cool. Trouble is, it says it's under Layer, New Adjustment Layer. While that's correct, most professionals add adjustment layers from the Layers panel, from this yin-yang looking symbol. Here it is. Now, while Photoshop is known for giving you the option to achieve the same thing in multiple ways, this may leave you scratching your head because it's different than what I taught you. And here's another thing. When you click it, you are met with this new pop-up window. As a beginner, this may leave you confused. There are a bunch of options here that complicate the process. For an experienced user, sure, this is totally fine. But for someone who is just starting out, well, again, my method is easier and it's what professionals use more often than not. Still, the Discover panel is a nice addition to Photoshop CC 2021, and it may get you out of a jam, especially when I ask you to use some tools that are difficult to remember. For example, the patch tool. No idea where it might be hidden, right? Well, we could click and hold and explore some potential options, but it's just much faster to hit Ctrl F and type that in, patch. And here's the shortcut, the patch tool with the hotkey J. Beautiful and really useful. Now, before we wrap this up, let's talk about the search feature, which is similar yet very different. So we know that we can open the Discover panel through Ctrl or Command F, or through this magnifying glass when we have a project opened. Okay, but what if we don't have a document in play? Let me close it so I can show you. We still get this icon here in the top right side, but it's a bit different. This is the search feature, and it will give you a completely different list of results. Type in black and white, for example, and notice this list looks way different. We have a tutorial here, some links that open up in our default browser, and at the bottom Adobe Stock. Basically a website where you can purchase premium photos. So that's the search feature that can be used when you don't have any projects opened. When we have one and we use this magnifying glass, we get the Discover panel. I realize this may be a bit confusing, but here's my advice. Don't worry too much about it. It's very unlikely that you'll use the search feature. It's unlikely that you'll actually use that magnifying glass when you don't have a project opened. And as for the Discover panel, it's a good reference point when you need a bit of help fast. For example, when you need to look up a certain tool. Now, just to be safe, I'll add a quick cheat sheet to this lecture, just in case you want to refresh your memory about these two features. Thank you, and let's keep going.